Okay, so this stand is called the Rambo Rimbaud, and it looks very similar to the Fruity Buddha, but it will hold up to a 40-inch gong. And you'll see, as we get it together, it will stand up a little taller. So you could be kneeling or maybe standing, depending on how high up you adjust it. So again, I'm wrapping everything in blankets or towels. Again, we're protecting the floor, and we're gonna build it on its side. Just like the pasty, except for this one, the wing nuts are on the side, so when you first put it down, it's gonna seem a bit wobbly, but the foot is gonna hold it there. Now I will have a 36-inch chow gong on this stand. It's my heaviest gong. So I've got a mark here, I've got a scrape where I can see that I need to expand this. This one wing nut, this one, and the mirror image of it is what's holding the weight of the gong. So there we go. So now I'll add the foot. And this one is wide enough that you do need 2 yoga mats or a blanket. The foot is too wide. It's wider than the width of a yoga mat. So that's why I have 2 here. Okay. That's the other foot. This is the bottom bar because there's no hooks on it. Okay. And this is the top bar. So again, the hooks are going to be pointing down towards the feet. The other side, so I've got to extend this one here. Okay, and then this goes on the top. Putting both wing nuts. See how it's wobbly? But the foot catches it, the foot supports it. And if you can't get down on your knees on the floor like this, then you could try doing this maybe on a table as well. But this is the best way to put a stand together without fighting gravity. Okay, so now that is the Rambo Rimbaud. So you see how it's got some height here. And if you want, you can have a little more height here. Just depends. I will be sitting on a platform about this high, because if your gong is too high, you will feel it in your shoulders. If it's too low, it'll be a little awkward to play. So you'll find your way. And this is a pretty inexpensive stand compared to the Feisty stand, but it's pretty good. And this one will hold up to a 40-inch gong, and it also comes in a smaller size that will hold up to a 26-inch gong. And that also has the extra length here and is adjustable, unlike the Fruity Buddha stand, which is just floor level. Okay, that's the Rambo Rimbaud.